We're diving deep into the world of diets. Two popular contenders are battling it out: the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean diet. Both promise a healthier you, but they take very different paths to get there. Keto is all about ditching carbs and embracing fats for fuel. The Mediterranean diet, on the other hand, celebrates fresh, whole foods and healthy fats. So which one comes out on top? Let's dig in. This isn't about crowning a single winner. It's about understanding each diet's strengths and weaknesses. That way, you can choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and goals. We'll break down the science, explore real-life experiences, and hear what the experts have to say. Get ready to make an informed decision about your health. The ketogenic diet is like a metabolic switch. Instead of relying on carbohydrates for energy, your body starts burning fat. This happens when you drastically reduce your carb intake, usually to less than 50 grams per day. Think goodbye bread, pasta, and sugary treats. This shift to fat-burning mode is called ketosis. It can lead to a rapid weight loss, which is a major reason for keto's popularity. People also report increased energy levels and mental clarity. But keto isn't for everyone. It's restrictive, requires careful planning, and can cause side effects. The initial phase can be rough, often dubbed the keto flu. Symptoms include fatigue, headaches, and nausea. Long-term keto might lead to nutrient deficiencies if you're not getting enough variety in your diet. It's crucial to talk to your doctor before starting keto, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Imagine sunny beaches, vibrant cultures, and delicious food. Picture yourself surrounded by the azure waters of the Mediterranean, where every meal is a celebration of life. That's the essence of the Mediterranean diet. It's not just a diet, but a way of life that has been cherished for centuries. It's inspired by the traditional eating patterns of countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain. These regions are known for their rich culinary heritage and vibrant food markets. This way of eating is all about savoring fresh, whole foods and embracing a healthier lifestyle. It encourages you to enjoy the natural flavors of ingredients. The Mediterranean diet is a celebration of flavor and variety. Think colorful vegetables, juicy fruits, hearty whole grains, and an abundance of fresh herbs and spices, and lean proteins like fish and chicken. These proteins are often grilled or baked, preserving their natural goodness. Healthy fats, like those found in olive oil, are a staple in this diet. Olive oil is used generously, adding a rich flavor to dishes. Nuts and avocados are also key players. These healthy fats contribute to the overall nutritional balance. But this diet is about more than just the food. It's a lifestyle that emphasizes community and togetherness. It's about enjoying meals with loved ones, being physically active, and taking time to relax and unwind, and savoring life's simple pleasures. Whether it's a family picnic or a casual dinner with friends, the Mediterranean way of life is about joy and connection. This holistic approach is linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. The benefits are backed by numerous studies. It's a way of eating that nourishes your body and soul. Embrace the Mediterranean diet and experience a healthier, happier life. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What are you actually eating on these diets? Keto is all about high fat, very low carb, and moderate protein. Imagine a plate filled with avocado, salmon, and a side of greens. The Mediterranean diet is much more balanced. It emphasizes carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Healthy fats are still important, but in moderation. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, and legumes round out the plate. Both diets encourage ditching processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. However, their drastically different approaches to macronutrients mean they impact your body in very different ways. Understanding these differences is crucial for choosing the right diet for you. Real people, real results, success stories. Stories speak volumes, and they inspire us to take action. And when it comes to keto and the Mediterranean diet, there are plenty to be told. These diets have changed lives in remarkable ways. Take Sarah, a busy mum who struggled with her weight for years. She felt overwhelmed and exhausted. She tried countless diets, but nothing seemed to stick. Then she discovered keto, a diet that finally made sense to her. The weight started melting off, and she finally had the energy to keep up with her kids. Her confidence soared, and she felt like a new person. On the Mediterranean side, we have John, a retired teacher with a family history of heart disease. He knew he needed to make a change for his health. He decided to make a change and embraced the Mediterranean lifestyle. This meant more than just a diet. It was a new way of living. He started cooking more meals at home using fresh ingredients, walking daily and savoring the simple pleasures of life, and enjoying leisurely meals with his wife. Their bond grew stronger as they shared this journey together. Not only did he lose weight, but his cholesterol levels improved dramatically. His doctor was amazed at his transformation. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who have found success with these diets. Their stories are a testament to the power of healthy living. While results vary, these stories highlight the potential of both keto and the Mediterranean diet to transform lives. They remind us that with dedication and the right approach, incredible changes are possible. The experts weigh in, what research says. In this section, we delve into the findings from various studies and expert opinions on popular diets. Scientists and nutrition experts have been studying both the keto and Mediterranean diets for years, providing us with a wealth of information. And the research is pretty compelling, offering insights into the benefits and potential drawbacks of each diet. Studies on keto show it can be effective for rapid weight loss, which can be particularly motivating for those looking to shed pounds quickly. Additionally, it has been shown to improve blood sugar control, particularly for people with type 2 diabetes, making it a viable option for managing this condition. When it comes to long-term health benefits, the Mediterranean diet shines, offering a more sustainable approach to healthy eating. Research consistently links this way of eating to a reduced risk of heart disease, which is a leading cause of death worldwide. It also shows promise in reducing the risk of stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers, providing a comprehensive range of health benefits. It's also associated with improved brain health and a longer lifespan, making it an attractive option for those looking to enhance their overall well-being. It's important to note that more research is always being done, and new findings continue to emerge. And while these diets show promise, they're not magic bullets. They require commitment and should be part of a balanced lifestyle. It's crucial to talk to your doctor to ensure that any dietary changes are safe and appropriate for your individual health needs, or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes, as they can provide personalized advice and guidance, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, to avoid any potential risks and ensure the best possible outcomes. Finding your perfect fit, choosing the right diet. So which diet is right for you? There's no easy answer. The best diet is the one you can stick with long-term, and that fits your individual needs and preferences. Ask yourself, are you looking for rapid weight loss? Keto might be a good short-term option, but are you ready to give up bread and pasta for good? If not, the Mediterranean diet's flexibility might be a better fit. Think about your health goals. If you have a family history of heart disease or are at risk for type 2 diabetes, the Mediterranean diet's focus on heart-healthy fats and whole grains might be more beneficial. Ultimately, the key is to listen to your body, consult with your doctor, and make an informed decision that feels right for you. Keto and exercise. A powerful combo? Can exercise boost the effects of the keto diet? It's a question many keto enthusiasts ask. Exercise in general is excellent for your health. It helps with weight management, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts mood. When you're on keto, your body is already using fat as its primary fuel source. Adding exercise, especially moderate intensity activities like brisk walking or cycling, can further enhance fat burning. However, it's crucial to listen to your body and not overdo it, especially in the beginning. Remember, the keto diet can be physically demanding, particularly during the initial adaptation phase. Start slow, stay hydrated, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as your body adapts. Mediterranean lifestyle, more than just food. The beauty of the Mediterranean diet lies in its holistic approach. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you live. Imagine leisurely meals with loved ones, enjoying fresh, seasonal ingredients and incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. This lifestyle emphasizes mindful eating, savoring each bite, and appreciating the social and cultural aspects of food. It encourages staying active, whether it's taking a walk after dinner, gardening, or dancing. This combination of healthy habits contributes to the numerous health benefits associated with the Mediterranean lifestyle. The final verdict: there's no one-size-fits-all. We've explored the ins and outs of the keto and Mediterranean diets, from their nutritional breakdowns to their potential health benefits and drawbacks. But here's the truth: the best diet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. The ideal diet is the one that aligns with your individual needs, preferences, and lifestyle. It's about finding a way of eating that nourishes your body, supports your health goals, and brings you joy. So, listen to your body, consult with your doctor, and embark on a culinary adventure that feels right for you.